Can you imagine jamaa mmoja akona like 41 wives na watoi 200. Mpaka inafika ile point this guy he has to open his own school bana just to support the kids because now watoi wamekuwa wengi. This guy, his name is Akuku Danger. Akuku Danger was one of the prominent polygamists in Kenya. I remember back in 2022 I got a chance to go and meet up with one of his offsprings. Yeah, nilienda huko specifically at his homestead. I got to learn and experience vitu mingi sana about Akuku Danger. So Akuku Danger was a polygamist mwingine deadly sana back in the day. Akuku Danger was born in 1918. Akaoa the first wife around 1939-1938 up. So by that time the remaining wives were 13. I may plan to go back there again in future. I don't know when. Nililearn a lot. Of course, sikuweka everything on the YouTube platform because the child of Akuku Danger, who is a senior citizen right now, like alikataa ni publish some of the videos online because vitu zingine ni more secretive. Nilienda kwa mausiliam yake, I saw where alizikwa, nikona the history part of it, nikona nguo zake za mwisho, like so many things ziko pale. Akuku Danger is one of the historical figures yenye most Gen Zs najua they don't even know about the guy. But anyways, peace out and see you on the next one.